Hello, good evening everybody. My name is Manny and still on lockdown here in the Philippines, and I'm here in Cainta, Rizal. The time now it's 7:30 in the evening. I'm having now a live view of the moon. I think this one is a gibbous moon. Here with my Sony A6000 mirrorless camera body connected or attached to the Tasco Luminova 4.5-inch 900mm telescope. Yeah, it's a Newtonian parabolic mirror. Okay, so let's try to zoom it up with ×2 and check if we could see a closer look at the crater. That's the maximum. Let's check it. Right, there you go. Wow, look at that. Oh, amazing. I like this. Okay, so let's focus it once more. One more, a little more. Hold on. Okay, there you go. Wow, this beautiful. Just beautiful. Okay, let's zoom it out once again. Normal zoom. There you go. It's a bit hazy, but my camera, Sony A6000, was able to resolve some details, and I think it's quite good. Okay, so that's it for now. Thank you, and bye bye. Please keep on subscribing my YouTube channel, Manny de Guzman Jartis. Thank you and good evening.